Prisha Date from DSK School Pune. I am in 4th standard. Every day we hear different types of sound. Sound is the energy which vibrates on our eardrum and we can hear it. The periodic clicking sound which resembles to a woodpecker, chirping or a cricket sound. So today I am performing this activity by using rubber band, bottle cap, thread and button which are easily available at home. The thread knots are made on equal distance and the button attached to thread on one side and rubber band on the other side through the button holes. Now coming to the variations. With first set of variation, I have checked sound impact if it is higher, lower, similar or no sound. First, by adding material inside the cap. Second, by changing the thread type. Third, by changing the bottle cap type. Fourth, by changing the button type. 5. By changing the shape and size of button and bottle cap. 6. By changing the rubber band. In the second set of variations, observed striker strike, count and sound. First, by changing knot counts. Second, by changing distance between knots. Third, by having uneven distance between knots. Fourth, by having double or triple knots. 5. Multiple strikers together. Additionally noted strike patterns by applying soft clay on the cap base and color to button. Also observed the clicking process in a packed container. Thanks to Raman Award team for sharing this experiment with us.